Okay, everyone, don't tamper with fire alarms in my house. I have a fire alarm right here. You don't tamper with it. If you come into my house and come into my bedroom and you see the fire alarm in my bedroom, do not ever do this to it. You never ever touch my fire alarms. Also, if I have more fire alarms in my house, don't tamper with any of the fire alarms. Do not tamper with my simplex fire alarm. Don't tamper with it. If you tamper with my simplex fire alarm, you could get in big trouble, you could get fined, and you could get arrested. And I will put you in handcuffs for tampering with my simplex fire alarm. So never ever tamper with my simplex fire alarm. So if you come into my house, do not tamper with this fire alarm. Leave my fire alarms alone. Let's not have any kid that is like Jonathan, who tampered with another YouTuber's fire alarms in his house. In Connecticut, and his name is Dale. And he has fire alarms in his house too. And guess what? Jonathan got into trouble for tampering with that user's fire alarms. So let's not have that happen here. Anyone that comes into my house better be smart enough not to tamper with my fire alarms right here. Bye.